How to make Squarespace website mobile friendly. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. And this video is going to be one of the basic tutorials about Squarespace. Basically, we want to make our website mobile friendly. You should have your site here and it should look nice with the desktop view where you can actually just view the text, photos, and everything just aligns together well. Now, there's going to be a few mistakes here because this is just a template that I got and I kind of played around with it a little bit and doesn't really look the best. But it's not really the point here. The point is how to actually make it look nice for mobile as well. It's actually very simple. You first want to start editing your site. And then from here, you obviously would find yourself in the desktop view, but we want to switch it to the mobile view. So to do so, you would want to just go to the top right of your corner and click on mobile view. And we can actually see now we have the mobile view and it looks, well, not the best. I mean, it is a pre-built template, so there's not a lot of mistakes here or things that don't really look nice. But there are a few and we can just go ahead and start fixing them. So generally speaking, what we can do with mobile is readjusting the images, replacing images with text, like as in making this text on top of this image instead of the other way around, and just trying to gauge how it's actually going to look like. For the time being, these two look nice, but at the same time, this image is taking way too much space. We don't really want people to be scrolling too much to find what they're looking for, but at the same time, this is a design website, so there's an issue here. But let's say it's not, then you would want to just go ahead and make these images a little bit smaller, which should not take up too much space. We don't really want it to take too much space here. And we can drag the text to be right underneath it. And then what we can do with this entire empty space is, well, we have an image here. So we can just go ahead and drag it up. And this empty space, you can just go ahead and drag this right up. So we basically fill in the empty space. Now we have this image as well, which is followed by another image, which is followed by another image, which is not a great look. So don't be afraid to actually just hit delete. Start deleting images so that it is not too cramped up for mobile users. Now, unlike desktop, which could actually handle this, and the images that you actually delete, by the way, in the mobile view are going to remain in the desktop view, just so you know. So yeah, a desktop could handle it because it has more space, but for mobile, if you have too much images right underneath, it's not going to look good. So I'm also going to remove this one. And yeah, I'm just going to keep this text here. And try to not have like too much text as well. So if you can actually cut out some text in your mobile view, feel free to do so as well. Basically, simplicity is what you're trying to get for our mobile viewers. Obviously, if it's an important bit of text, you do not obviously remove it. But yeah, go ahead and adjust the sizes of the images, make them smaller or bigger depending on your needs, and if there's any empty spaces, you would need to fix them like so. And then we have our text here, image, text, image, text, and I believe the rest is going to be good. This one I'm just going to remove, you guessed it. And we have another image which also I'm going to remove, and I'm going to make that space between them a little bit smaller here. So we have our text here, and yeah, basically trying to make it simple like that is the way to go. And we can just go back to our desktop view, make sure everything is good here as well. And yeah, this is what I'm trying to get with the mobile view. So just go ahead, remove the pictures that you don't need, edit them, the size and the text, also the size of it. So yeah, play around with this and we can just go ahead and click on save. And this is one way to make or how to actually make Squarespace a mobile friendly website. So thanks for watching.